guys, warm welcome to myself Rahul and my friend Rockerz. Today we are going to unbox hands-free from Boat. So do you have any idea about
275. Today we are going to unbox Boat Rockerz 275 model hands-free. So we can connect this device with Android devices, iOS devices, and so on. So for more information, my friend Rahul going to discuss about this model.
Okay guys, so this product is Boat, okay, and the model number is Rockerz 275. So in this product you can connect through phones as well as your iPad or tablets. So this one has inbuilt microphone, and this one has IPX5, means if it is getting into water, it can survive up to 0.5 meters, and it has music playback up to 10 hours. Okay, and the audio technology is A2DP. This is the latest, and the Bluetooth is 4.1. So here you will get call vibration as well. Suppose you are getting a call, you will get a vibration on your earphone. So this one is having chipset of 8635 and magnetic lock, means you can lock the earphone, it will get automatically locked with the magnetic force. We are going to unbox this, but if you want to know the exact price, you have to watch the whole video till end. Okay, and so please watch the video full, don't skip, or else you will be missing out many informations, the offer which is going on in Flipkart and Amazon. So please stay with us. So I'm unboxing the product. So here is the earphone. So it is rubberized, and the product really looks sexy. So the girls, they will love it.
Especially the color.
Yeah, the color only I'm telling you. So guys, this one you can connect, and see, this one is magnetic. Automatically it gets connected, and this one is the USB charger. You can charge through this. How? Through this point. Like this, you can remove and charge it. Here we have the power button, as well as you can skip the song, and minus plus, these are volume buttons. Okay, so here is a notification light, whether it is on or off. Here it will be blinking. So like this, and the brand is Boat. So you can keep like this. So this one is powered by 4.1 Bluetooth. You can connect your phone and other devices. Here is the manual book, which we never read. So guys, this one is a great product, and it is really flexible, and you can use it for any devices. I think Rockerz is really going to enjoy the sound, because the sound of Boat you can't doubt.
That's really excellent.
Yeah. So guys, if you want to get it, you can go to Amazon. The real cost is 3,500, but on Amazon the Prime sale is going on. You can get it for 2,500. 2,500 you can get it. So go and grab the offer. And please do subscribe, and we are going to sign off.